Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Tie with another new bullish crypto analysis. Let's dig in and take a look at the equities market and the crypto market and see what's going on. Here we have, actually, before we get here, let's go to the stock market overview heat map. This is from Finviz. Thanks, Finviz, for providing this chart. See if we can get, there we go, make it bigger for you. It's looking better than yesterday. Yesterday we had a lot of reds. Today we have some greens in this technology sector. That's nice. Software is looking green. Tech sector, Google, Facebook, Snap, etc. Communication services. It's looking green, or you can call that social media there. It looks also green in consumer defense. In this area right here, we have basic material is half of it's green. Down here we have diagnostic research screen, medical devices screen, and this sector here, healthcare and medical insurance, that's mostly green. Look, yeah, it's looking better. It's looking better. Auto manufacturer, Tesla's down slightly. They're down in the red. Some more red areas. Banking, they're in the red here. Financials. This one was banking regional, and this is banks diversified. They're red there. We got some reds over here. Oil and gas. Let's see what else. Yeah, that's pretty much covers the stock market at a very high level overview. Let's take a look at the crypto market. Oh yeah, looking better. BTC moves and a bunch of other ones move. So we have store of value, BTC, Luna, and a few other ones down here. This one is that's Maker, Paxo, etc. So Bitcoin's up by 1.5. Ethereum's up, Binance up, ADA's trending back down after its recent little mini rally there from the news about Sunday Swap going live, I believe Thursday. And Link is so interesting. I've been tracking Link forever, and whenever BTC is pumping, Link just goes to sleep. And when BTC goes to sleep, Link pops up. So interesting. Algo's in the green. FTM, AVAX, they're green. Half of DeFi is in the green. We got Doge and Shiba Inu. Man, I hope those people sold at the top. I encourage so many people to sell. I hope they did, but for some reason, people like to hang on. Gotta learn to take profit, people. Unless it's BTC. BTC, you can still take profit, but like partial profit, and then buy it back on the dip. About half of the NFTs listed here are in the green, and center exchanges, we got some greens here, FTT. So it's looking like a better day for crypto. We will see how the rest of the day will go. Let's dive into the chart and see since the market opening and see what's going on. This is trading view on the 30-minute time frame. The yellow vertical dash line represent when the market opened. And the reason you see the difference in the candles and how they look on the chart is that in the equities market, they're not open 24 hours a day versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin is open 24/7. So I drew these vertical lines so I can line up the charts better. Otherwise, it'll look really odd. Let's take a look at some interesting patterns we see on in these charts. Let me get rid of some of these indicators to make it easier for you to see on your screen. There we go. That's a little bit better. All right. Let's take a look at the US dollar. US dollar currency, the Dixie, it's been trending down since the 18th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's been trending down. So when the dollar dips, crypto or Bitcoin has a tendency to go up. There is a negative correlation there, mostly. The 10-year US bond yield, this shrink it down so you can see it. It's picking up. You also notice, at least on this time frame, there is a negative correlation between the US dollar index and the 10-year bond yields. This one's, see that? They kind of move in opposite directions. Stock market, it opened with the QQQ, which is comprised of a lot of tech stocks. This is an index. It went up and then trended down. It's bouncing back up. S&P 500, very similar to QQQ index. They went up, dropped down, dropped down, dropped down, went up. And so these two are almost identical, almost like over most time frames. The Dow started out high, drop, went back up, drop. So what are we seeing here? So stock market, there's mixed signals here. Tech sector, as we saw on the previous heat map, it's there's some greens, and then there's some reds, and then it's going back up. Bitcoin, on the other hand, as the dollar drops, it picked up momentum before the market opened. You can see from here to here, and then it dropped down, and then it's going back up again. So that is to be expected. What do I see going forward for the rest of the day? I believe Bitcoin's price will drop. The max paying price for today is 42,000 for options, and Bitcoin has about 80% probability of following the max paying price. It already hit the 42,000, so chances are that it's going to drop down to clear out some of the long leverage positions that are just right below the current price line. And I did a video on that earlier, and it's being processed by YouTube right now. So let's see what happens. I hope that added value to your day. And if it did, please feel free to smash the like, ring the bell, and also hit subscribe if you haven't. See you later today for another video.